Yes, you look kind of like this here. Get this expression, something like this. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, something like this. I think that's kind of what I see as far as what I want the picture to feel like, right? Kind of like a debonair kind of look. Not no, kind of happy. He has a happy face, right? So dang, I forgot. I didn't even need to do that with it. I could have just went with it. Anyway, I'll just use this right here as my guy. So I'll start building off of this idea here. Mm-hmm. 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 Oh, hey, how are you today, attender? How are you today? Hey, wait a minute. Oh, thank you, Australia. I got 200 stars. Thank you so much. Oh, super awesome. Super. I don't know if I could. Can I say something back on that? I'm still, I'm old, so I don't know. I'm older, excuse me, so I don't know how to use this thing quite yet. But what do I do? Can I say, no, that's not what I'm supposed to be doing. Let me see. Well, anyway, I just want to say thank you, Australia. I appreciate those stars. I got some stars, man. Awesome, man. Okay. A tender, how do you say that? That I don't. Well, of course now you can't pronounce it for me, but uh, do. So let me see here. Yeah, man. If you guys want to make a little request or something like that, requests are awesome. Tips are awesome, right? Hey, man, it's all awesome. All right. I think that looks pretty cool. That's not too bad. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Let's give him a little neck here. Look, he got his bow tie on here. Let me see. Man, I love caricature so much because it's like for me, it's like this the challenge of making every line count. I wanna my goal is to get to the point where I only have to use like I don't know like 7 or 8 lines, and then I uh, just do it, in a where it's not that many lines. That's the whole object of this thing. So that's just how I see caricature. How fast can I? And I'm gonna tell you why we played this game the other day. I don't know if you ever heard of it, but it's called it's this game where your family get together and you draw stuff, and then you got to guess what they drawn. You know what I'm talking about? What game that is? And so anyway, I was hands down the best artist in the room. Okay, I'm just gonna let you know that. But I couldn't win at this game. You know why? Because my drawings are too complex. I couldn't just. The object is to make you think about what I'm trying to get you to think about in a short amount of time, and I was unable to do that. So we lost the game. Me and my wife were partners, and of course, she talked about me in a very mean way that hurt my feelings. Since she's not, she's watching, right? Why you always gotta think so much? Just do it. I was like, okay. So now that's what I'm doing. That's when I came up with that's why I come up with all these little shortcuts to help me to see things very clearly. You know what I'm saying? I want to see things very clearly. Okay. Oh man, look at that. I can see clearly now. The rain is gone. All right, so I think you guys can see that pretty good. I know it's got like some. Can you guys see this pretty good on Facebook? Okay. Pictionary, yes. Pictionary. Oh yeah, Australia. I'm so excited too. I'm gonna be there at your party. Oh yeah. I got a party. That's right. I got a party. I love to come to people's parties and crash them, I'm gonna crash the party. All right. I'm gonna draw a lot of pictures, and I gotta get some good footage, Australia, for my Facebook and my TikTok. I've been slowing down on posting. I gotta post some more reviews. I got some reviews that I haven't posted yet that I'm probably gonna post. I don't know. Maybe I'll post them tomorrow. But yeah. All right, so tonight we're just kind of caricature flowing. So I don't know where I'm going with all this tonight. I'm just drawing people that I think look interesting, and at the same time, I'm practicing this technique, this new. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. It's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.